So sit tight and enjoy the game. So we're off. Which way will this game go? It's with the defender now. Finds his teammate. He's so skillful on the ball. He must score, surely. Alves, who collects it easily. You've lost possession. Now we'll run through the controls. Use the B button to pressure the ball. Use the A button. Use the C button to change the active player. Let's get back to the action. He steps up to steal the ball. Good distribution. Absolutely perfect evening for a game of football. Good clearance. He really got behind that. A great pass across the width of the pitch there. Can they make it count? Ooh, quality defending there. Martinez. Oh, defending. And it's back to the keeper. That's nicely played. This player is taking on the opposition. Finds his teammate. Long ball then. Firmino shoots. His first goal for the club. What a moment. Let's see a replay of that group. Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again. Good interception. Passed well. Sends it long. Optimistic effort. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. Good ball. Ooh, quality defending there. Defender in possession. It's half-time and a chance for the managers to do their work. A slim lead. It's all to play for in the second half, though. Oh, confident defending. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Perfectly executed. Striker's ball. Just the keeper to beat. Alves with a fine save. He's passed it out wide. The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break. Martinez. Lovely passing here. The shot's on. Won't be disappointed with that effort. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Some of your players are getting tired. You should bring on a substitute. To do this, pause the game and enter team management. Keeper put his boot behind that. Firmino. Has a crack from distance. Alves, who collects it easily. It's Perez. striker now. The attacker is in possession. They're holding on to maximum points and not long to go. Can they seal the game? Passed well. He did well to win the ball back. The captain then. Great dribble. Just the goalkeeper to make that quick sub lets you make changes without stopping the game. Press the tick icon to enable the substitution. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. And we're into stoppage time now. Easy for the goalkeeper there. And it's